Exploring the magical experience in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across: magical experience. This phrase is not just about magic in the literal sense but conveys much more. Let's unravel the beauty and depth of this expression together, making your English learning journey a bit more magical. A magical experience refers to an event or moment that is so extraordinary. It feels as though magic is real. It's used to describe situations that are unbelievably amazing or enchantingly beautiful, often leaving a lasting impression on someone. Imagine something so special and wonderful that it seems to transcend ordinary life. That's what we call a magical experience. Magical experiences can vary widely from person to person, but they often share a common theme of wonder and joy. Here are a few examples. Watching a breathtaking sunset that paints the sky in vibrant colors. The first time you see snow falling, coating everything in a blanket of white. Listening to music that moves you deeply, creating a moment of pure emotional connection. Each of these moments can feel magical because they bring a sense of awe and happiness that's hard to find in everyday life. Now that you understand what a magical experience is, let's see how you can use this phrase in your own conversations or writing. Remember, it's all about highlighting the extraordinary nature of an event. For example, my trip to the Northern Lights was a magical experience. I've never seen anything like it. Meeting my favorite author in person was truly a magical experience. Incorporating phrases like magical experience into your vocabulary not only enriches your language skills but also helps you express emotions and experiences more vividly. It shows that you're capable of conveying complex feelings and thoughts, making your English more colorful and engaging. We hope this exploration of the phrase, magical experience, has added a sprinkle of magic to your day in your journey in learning English. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about capturing and sharing the essence of our experiences. Keep learning, keep exploring, and may your language learning journey be filled with many magical experiences. See you in the next video.